In this lesson, we trained three very important Mandarin sounds: ji, qi, and xi. Many learners find this group harder than the previous ones, b, p, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, and ge, ke, he, because these sounds do not match the normal English spelling habits. That is completely normal. Chinese is a different language. Today, I'll make it simpler for you. In lesson 1, we used lips, p, p, mo, fo. In lesson 2, we used the tongue tip, d, t, n, l. And lesson 3, we moved to the back of the mouth, g, k, h. Now we come forward again, ji, qi, xi. So these are the front of the mouth sounds. Your tongue comes forward, your mouth opens a little wider, and there is a small smile that helps shape sound. We keep them the same simple pattern as before. So first, just feel it. Just listen. Ji, qi, xi, ji, 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 qi, 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 xi, xi, xi. Another row. Jia, qia, xia, jiu, qu, xiu. Good. This part is pure sound. Train your mouth and your ear first. Now we move into real words you already know. So the J sound. That's the most basic J word. Ji, ji, ji. So that simple sound is a word. Chicken. Ji. Now a very useful time word. 今天，今天，今天，今天。One more. 几个，几个 How many? 你有几个朋友？你有几个朋友？ And the number 9 is also starting with J. 九 Third tone. 鸡九鸡九 One more. 家家我的家 Practice them all in one sentence. 你家有几个人？我家有9个人。你家有几个人？我家有9个人。Now listen to another simple question and answer. 你有几个朋友？我有9个好朋友。9个。你有几个？9个。Now the Q sound. 七 That's another number. 七 7. So 七七七 is 777. So a short sentence. 你家有几个人？我家有7个人。我有7个朋友。Now a word you already know. 请请请进请进请喝茶请喝茶 Now compare the two sounds. 鸡 qi. Hear that? 鸡 qi. Also, can you see the little smile on my face when I say those words? 鸡 qi. New words. 钱你有钱吗？你有钱吗？我没有钱，我没有钱。起 rise up 起床。去我去商店，我去工作。Now a mixed word with X and Q together. 星期that's week. 星期一 Monday. 星期二 Tuesday. So now we have the X sound. We train the X. So many learners push X too hard. Keep it light, forward, and gentle. So first, 喜欢,喜欢,我喜欢喝茶,我喜欢喝茶。学习. This word gives you the X at the beginning and also at the end. 学习,学习。我学习中文。我学习中文。我喜欢学习中文。I like to learn Chinese. Now, one more common everyday word. 东西,东西. Things, stuff. Literally, 东西 means east, west. But in everyday Chinese, it means thing or things. 东西。这个是什么东西呢？什么东西？ What's this? What's this thing? 东西。There you have it. The sun's risen. So ears first, then mouth. So language learning is ears first, then mouth. Eyes help, but eyes should not lead everything. Use subtitles and pinyin as support, not as the main road. Listen once without looking, then repeat aloud. That is how sounds become natural. Useful sentence practice. Now let's join all three sounds in useful sentences. 今天请你学习中文. Today, please study Chinese. 今天请你学习中文。我去学校学习。我去学校学习中文。请喝茶。请喝酒。There you are. 酒 is 9, but it also means alcohol. So 酒，请你喝酒。谢谢，但是我不喝酒。请你喝茶。啊，谢谢，我喜欢喝茶。Clean, crisp, and clear is better than fast and lost. Listen and repeat. 鸡、七、西。家、掐、虾。酒、去、修。鸡。今天。几个。酒。加。七。请。钱。起。去。喜欢。学习。东西。星期。学习。你有几个朋友？我喜欢喝茶。我去学校学习。If you shadow this short drill every day, 鸡七西 will stop feeling strange. They will become normal sounds. Then when you return to your Chinese from zero lessons, you'll hear them everywhere. If this lesson helps you, please support this young channel. Like the video, subscribe and share it with another Chinese learner. It helps more than you think. In the next lesson, we move to another important sound group, X, C, and S. Z, C, S. See you there.